the yellow cone, balance the accelerator to maintain the speed, look towards the end of the tyres, full power, brake into one marker, brake, 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 off brake, steering in, balancing the steering, balancing the power, straighten out, full on the power, go, 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 brake into the one marker, brake, 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 steering the cone, off the brake, straighten out, power, 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 brake into the one marker, off the brake, steering into the yellow cone, keep near the apex, keep near the apex, braking the blue cone, looking where you want to go, don't look at the shingles, look where you want to go through the corner, keep the steering nice and steady, power, 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 as we come out the corner, keep to the right, letting the car overtake, back to the outside, braking at the 3 marker, brake, 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 down to gear 4, off brake, steering, keeping the speed maintained, on increased speed or reduced speed on the corners, power, 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 braking at the 1 marker, brake, 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 off brake, steering into the corner, keeping near the apex, power, 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 to come out the corner, go, 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 aiming for the yellow cone, brake, 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 off brakes and steering around the corner, power, 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 to come out of the corner, going to stay behind these ones, not going to overtake them on the corner, steering in the yellow cone, clipping the apex as we go around, we've got 2 here to overtake soon. Looking where you want to go, don't look at the shingles, look far around the corner, where your eyes look, that's where you'll go. Being ready to overtake on these 2, so keep them to the left side, up to gear 5, they're not keeping over to the right, so I can't overtake them and stay behind them.
At this point here, I'm done with my braking. I'm now back on the accelerator, not to build speed, but to maintain the speed and keep the speed consistent. The car in front, however, decides to brake on the corner. This did happen to me once. I was coming too fast into this next corner, and then got a bit worried and started to brake on the corner. If this does happen to you when you're driving, not just on the track, but on the road, you may be tempted to continue braking as the car feels out of control. However, do not do this. What I did in this clip here to save it is I came off the brake, as the brake was causing a skid, and then I looked around the corner where I wanted to go. Really important, I didn't look at the gravel. If I looked at the gravel, I'd probably understeer and end up in the gravel.
Braking slightly later than the 3 marker as I'm not at full speed here. Brake, 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 down to gear 4, off the brakes and steering in, keeping near the apex. And on the power to come out of the corner, looking for the overtake on these vehicles in front. Watching one coming up behind, coming up fast. So might have to let them overtake. They've got a much bigger engine than me. Just unravelling the steering as we come out of the corner. Got the blue flag, or blue light, off the brake as we come round the corner. I'm going to allow this black one to overtake, because like I say he's much faster than me. I've also got a green one as well, coming up behind, so he's quite fast as well, so I'm just going to sit back for the moment. Let's try and get the overtake on the next straight. Looking where you want to go, don't look at the shingles, look where you want to go, look around the corner, just balancing the gas, not doing too much. side here, ready to overtake the two here. Don't know if they're going to let me do it again though. Braking the 3 mark, the blue flag. Off the brakes to come round the corner. Down to gear 4. And off the brakes and looking round the corner. Looking where you want to go. Power, power, power. Now potentially overtake's going to be on here, so I'm going to keep to the left side, off the brakes. On the brakes, I'm going to stay back behind this one, on the corner. Where you want to go, balancing the power, not too much power. The more steering you have to do, the less power. It's all about balancing the equation. Keeping to the left side, he's going to move over for me this time, so I need to overtake on the left. Yes, he is. Steering around the corner. And now we've got to pass those two, let's go for it. Power, power, power. Braking at the 1 marker, brake, brake, brake. Off the brakes, we steer around the corner. And then power, power, power. Off the power, so let this one overtake. Where you want to go. And on the power. Staying behind this one, keep it to the right, let the white one overtake. And then check your mirrors and back out to the offside. Brake, brake, brake at the 3 marker. Brake, brake, brake. Off brake down to gear 4. Keeping near the apex. And power, power, power to come out the corner. This one's letting us overtake, so we take that. So brake, brake, brake. And off the brakes. Keeping wide from the corners, I've got one on my right side. Has come out the corner, power, power, power. Keep to the inside, braking to the 1 marker, brake, brake, brake. Off the brake and we steer around the corner. And then power, power, power as we come out the corner. Braking, brake, brake, brake. Off the brake at the yellow cone and steering into the corner. Balancing the power as we steer around. The more steering we do, the more steering we do, the less power we have.